Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and I'm really glad you're here today. In this video, I'll show you how to keep your screen on while using Dolphin Browser on your mobile phone, which is very useful when reading articles. First, open the Dolphin Browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the Dolphin icon. Then, in the menu that appears, find and click on the Settings icon. After that, click on Advanced Settings to see more detailed options. Next, scroll down again until you find the More option. Tap on it to open additional advanced preferences. Finally, look for the option named Keep Screen On and turn it on to prevent your phone screen from going to sleep while using Dolphin Browser. This setting is especially helpful for long reading sessions, tutorials, recipes, or any situation where you don't want to touch the screen repeatedly. By enabling this option, Dolphin Browser will keep your display active as long as the browser is open and in use. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who may need it.